Happy September. So today is September the 2nd and I'm about to head to Orange County for this weekend because it's Labor Day weekend and I have finals next week and my mom's also visiting. So it's going to be a very busy vlog and I'm about to drop Cherry off at the Canine Loft, which is like a pet place basically where you can have your dog stay there while you're out of town. I'm taking her. This is like so sad because I've never dropped her off anywhere, like let her stay anywhere. Hi guys, I'm at my mom's hotel room because she's visiting and I just got ready because we're going to the Sunset Tower Bar, one of my favorite spots in LA, and I'm wearing this vintage Fredericks of Hollywood dress. I have this fun little Swarovski necklace, some earrings. It's a moment. I also got this fun little bow that I should put in my hair probably that matches the outfit perfectly. We're going to Lady Gaga. All the way from New York City to Hollywood.
I can feel so much love in this room tonight. I feel a lot of heart. I feel a lot of joy. I feel a lot of people that know exactly who they are. You know what? If you don't know who you are yet, that's all right, because someday you're going to find out. In the meantime, whenever I didn't know how to answer a question about me, I've always just said, I was just born this way, Sometime, a long, long time from today, somebody might watch this show back. They might pop a little chip into some device that we don't even know yet.
Hi guys, it has been so long since I have talked to you on this vlog. I don't even know if I have talked to you all because I have had such a chaotic month. Like school, I had finals for the summer quarter and then I've been trying to apply to get a job for this upcoming quarter or like an internship, and just I've had a lot of interviews. I've been out of town a lot. My mom flew in and visited me, and then I'm actually in my hometown right now because this is kind of a long story, but I am dropping my dog off for the semester because it has been really stressful caring for a puppy when I have a job, and then also the whole school situation, and basically I'm just having her stay with my parents for the quarter. My other dog also passed away over the summer, and so I have another dog at home that's a pug, and she's been really lonely since the other dog passed, and basically we've decided for this semester my dog Cherry will be staying here in Little Rock. And it's been a little hectic because I flew back yesterday and I got her on the plane and everything again like I did back in July, but I'm just hoping everything else goes well. Labor Day weekend, I went over to Orange County with some of my friends and you guys saw that, and then I also went last weekend to Catalina Island. I think this was last weekend. Like I am literally so all over the place because I've been going 90 to nothing, but I'm here in my hometown for literally only 2 days because it was a very quick trip. I have to get my car registration updated too, but my car's in LA, so I have to do it here. And then I'm about to turn 21, so I'm gonna try to get a new license while I'm here too, so I don't have to do the LA DMV, because that's gonna be a nightmare. I already know. I got some froyo. You guys know me, I love going to TCBY. I love froyo of any sort, so I'm gonna eat this right now, and then I will talk to you all hopefully later this month when something else is going on. Hi guys, so I am just out here chilling in my backyard because it's summertime still here. Honestly, it feels so good in my hometown right now, and chilling out by the pool. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a workout out here, and I just got my license updated because I, of course, am turning 21 when I am not going to be in town, and I still have an Arkansas license, so I had to get that updated, so I did my makeup. After having to get on 2 different planes because of maintenance problems, I finally made it back to my apartment. It has been quite a day, to say the least. Honestly, I've been up since 5 a.m. my Little Rock time, which is 3:30 a.m. the LA time. But I got a bunch of packages in the mail from Amazon, and I wanted to open them. I already opened a few things. First thing you have is this lamp, and it is a mushroom lamp. And since I'm not having my dog here for the semester, I got a bunch of new decor and stuff to replace the ones she tore up. But this is the lamp. If you guys follow Hallie Kate on TikTok, she also has this lamp, and I got it from her Amazon storefront. And I think it's so flippin' cute that I ordered it immediately. But look at it, it's such a cute little moment. Look how cute this lamp is. I am literally obsessed. It's such a fun little like pastel pink moment. Okay, on to our next set of packages. And it's this blanket. This is what it looks like. So cute. So our next thing are these pillowcases. I have ordered 2 different types of pillowcases, and neither of them ended up coming in for some reason. So this is the final verdict. I don't know if these are gonna be cute, but they're these checkered board ones, so I'm just gonna see how they look. Next up, we also have a fun little bath mat because my dog tore up my last one. So this is super cute. It matches the pillowcases, honestly, and it is basically like a cherry print with a checkered little rug moment. I'm gonna do a little brief tour of my apartment since I have it all organized now. And when you walk in the door, of course you have the kitchen, our fun little light I showed you last night, and then, sorry, I'm still selling the gates, but I have this cute little table moment. I finally have chairs for it, which I'm happy about. This is the closet area for my first closet. And then here's the living room. It's coming together so well. I'm super obsessed. And then of course I have my balcony over here with my view of the city and everything, and like a bar cart moment here. Some Lana stuff. We have this little ottoman situation. And then, oh, there's me. I look atrocious. And then this is so cute. I made this bench, if you guys remember the vlog. This is the bathroom. We love this cherry mat. It looks so cute. Okay guys, I just got my nails done. We did this fun little matte black, like a fall Halloween moment. Hi guys, I'm getting ready to go get my hair done. My roots are so bad right now, so I'm very excited about this. Here's the final hair. It turned out so good. I'm obsessed. They always do such a great job. Always the blonde, of course. Guys, currently I am shooting these photo booth style photos. It's a very big trend right now, and this is the outfit I'm wearing. And I'm super happy because I just got notified that I got an internship, and I am like, oh, thank God, because I needed a job for this quarter. Guys, I just finished getting ready. Here's the dress I'm wearing. I'm obsessed. We're going to Jones Hollywood. I forgot to mention that. It's one of my favorite little restaurants just for the vibe. Here's what I'm wearing. It's a sleigh. I'm so excited. So good. Hi guys, I just got ready because I'm going to see A Star is Born at Hollywood Forever Cemetery, going to like a Cinespia event and I am super excited about it. I got this corset from Urban Outfitters. They have like a teal and mint one too that I'm honestly considering getting because it's such good quality and it just is so unique. I'm obsessed with like all the fabric. Like, look how nice and fitted it is. And then I have this Vanessa Mooney necklace that I paired with this, and then these 5-star jeans, and then here is the back. Hi guys, I am going to dinner at Elefante. Here's my outfit. I am in a major rush because I'm always running late these days. It has been a very crazy month, to say the least, but I wanted to go ahead and make this the last day of the vlog because I am going to be very busy the next few days getting ready for the fall quarter and also with my internship starting. Today I'm going to brunch to celebrate a few more days of break, and we're going to the butcher, the baker, and the cappuccino maker, I believe, and it's in West Hollywood across the street from where Selling Sunset is. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more days of my life. I will see you all next time. Bye.